Hey, what's up, y'all? Alonzo here. I just want to talk about some Jasmy, and I know that we've been holding Jasmy for quite some time. A lot of us got involved over the holidays when we saw it moving upward, and we thought that it was going to break through the resistance and make it past the sixes. And we have not seen that yet. I know that there was a lot of chart readings that suggested this and everything, but you know what? Despite it pulling back, I still believe in the token and I believe in it long term. I bought in originally at two zeros and a six, and I look forward to this at least at bare minimum being 10 cents or better. I think that this year is going to prove a lot with this token. I think a lot of things are going to come to fruition that the project has been suggesting. There's a lot of momentum and a lot of tech evolution in the background, right? A lot of advancements being taken place. So I did want to show you this because this wick that made it all the way down here, man, if you guys were able to grab it at those levels, you are phenomenal. You are a legend, man. And this is why you have to keep USDT on hand, or at least be ready to make a purchase when things like this arrive, man. Because even this right here was a pretty good low, man, but this was even better. So if you were able to take advantage of that, you're sitting in profits just from that point to where we're at right now. So that's why you could also set Hail Mary orders. I call them Hail Mary orders because the likelihood that you're gonna get them is slim, but sometimes things like this do happen. Imagine being over here and setting a buy order at these levels, and then this happens and you tag it. You know what I mean? So always be ready to take advantage. Another thing that I wanted to show you, since this is moving upwards, I wanted to show you the technicals here. On the 1 day, everything is saying sell, right? Everything is saying sell, but let's look at the 1 week. The 1 week is saying buy, according to these moving averages and everything, right? Let's go to 1 month. We moved a strong buy on this one here. And this is based on, this summary is based on 26 different indicators, guys. So this is on TradingView Premium. This is the only version that I've owned. I don't know if it's on the other versions or not. But on a 1 day, it says sell. But longer term, a week or a month, it says buy. This one says strong buy. So take that into consideration, guys. I do think over time that we're going to see this really skyrocket upward. Let me see what we have here. Let's go to a 1 day. That's what it looks like, guys. And this is where we were all looking to break through, and it didn't quite make it past that yet. But hey, it might just spin up and go this way. So let's look at what we find online. First off, this is my X profile here. You guys make sure to go visit me on Twitter and follow, like, and subscribe the channel that you're viewing right now. I have a goal of hitting 10,000 subscribers. We are at 6,300, almost at 64. Now, let's go to the Jasmy X. Okay, so the Jasmy X, first thing that I wanted to point out, is this. I just searched the hashtag Jasmy, right? And this, I know a lot of people are following this page, man, but check out what it says. For those who still doubt Jasmy's relevance within the Toyota group, here's the proof. Its integration is clearly highlighted in Toyota's mass ride sharing system. All right, guys, so take a look at this, and he has it highlighted. You can go to the page and check it out. Let me see if I can blow this up for you guys and we can see it. You know, it has it right here. So that is something to take into consideration. Another thing that I saw when I was scrolling here, somebody was saying that the Sony PlayStations could be used as mining machines. I don't know if there's any truth to that, but I found it intriguing that somebody would think of that. Here's another thing here. Same page. Jasmy is developing custom AI engines with various Japanese companies integrating the personal data locker. For example, with Archaic and Nippon Travel Agency, it aims to enhance the Trippa platform using blockchain and AI to analyze user preferences. And here it goes. You can read through this. The AI engine is used on edge devices such as PCs and smartphones. So they do have some plans there. Let me see. This is another reminder here, man, that we're still in the monitoring zone in Binance. And I know that a lot of us have been expecting for it to be released from that monitoring zone. And I think that that's going to be a pretty big catalyst. I think that it's something that we've got to look forward to. And I think in the next bull run, we may see something there, man, because it's just time. It's just time. If you've been watching and holding on to Jasmy for a while, you know that it's time, guys. You know, this project has proven itself. So you go to Binance Square and you see this. This is from yesterday. This is when I started seeing it move upward, and I was like, oh man, somebody won here. Somebody won. Somebody took advantage, and it has skyrocketed upward. There was it was like about 30% gain right there. It says surges by 17%, but I think it ended up being about a 30% jump right there. So you do see that. And then I just wanted to update y'all on it, man. I mean, Jasmy is still in the game. Jasmy's still one of my holds, and I will continue to hold. It's one of my blue chip holds. And I imagine that moving into 2025, we're going to see some great things, guys. So always remember, man, if you believe in it, like CZ said today, let me go to my page. I'm going to show you what he said. Let me see where I shared this here. All right, right here. It says, if you believe in something, hold it. If you don't believe it, if you don't believe in it, don't hold it. Simple. And it is really that simple, man, because if you believe in something, you feel that it's going to increase in value and it's bringing value, whether it's the community or the utility or both. You know, if you believe in it, then 9 times out of 10 it's going to do something, man. But you already know, man, if you don't believe in something, just go ahead and find something that you do. You know, I believe in Jasmy, and I've been holding for quite some time. It almost seems like 2 years, maybe pushing into more, and I will continue to hold it, man. And every time that this drops lower into a range that I find is preferable, like the other day, I wish I would have been able to take advantage of that. I mean, you're talking about, that's pretty low, man. I don't think that it's going to go any lower than that. That's just me. You know, not financial advice, guys. You guys read the charts and look at it however you want. You know, I'm one of those people that I believe that news affects these charts more than anything. I do believe in the Fibonacci resistance levels and things like that. But, man, news can do some wild things to these charts, man. I just believe that long-term this is going to continue to move up, guys. So if you ain't got no Jasmy, get you some. And like, subscribe, and share so we can get this everywhere. Follow me on X, guys.